Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role of Solanaceous crop cultivator class 10th. In unit 3, we will discuss about integrated pest and disease management in vegetable crops. Viewers, in this unit, we have 3 sessions. Session 1 is major insect pests of Solanaceous crops. Session 2 is about major diseases of Solanaceous crops, and session 3 talks about integrated pest and disease management of Solanaceous crops. Let us begin with session 1, that is major insect pests of Solanaceous crops. In this session, we will learn about these topics. Major insect pests of Solanaceous crops, under which we will study tomato fruit borer, aphids, whitefly, leaf miner, leaf hopper or jassids, shoot and fruit borer, thrips and mites. Let us begin with the first one, that is tomato fruit borer. Viewers, tomato fruit borer caterpillars are greenish in color with dark brown and grey outline along the body. A caterpillar is the most active stage of tomato fruit borer. At a young stage, the larva feeds on the tender foliage, while at the advanced stage, it bores circular holes in the fruit and feeds inside the pulp. Let us understand their control. First, use tolerant varieties like Punjab Kesari, Punjab Chuhara, BT1 and BT32. Second, deep summer ploughing can expose the larvae and pupae to sunlight and predation of birds. Plant marigold, 40 days old, as a trap crop with every 16 rows of tomato, 25 days old, to attract the larvae. Collect the larvae from the marigold flowers and destroy them. In the early stages, spray 4% NSKE, that is neem seed kernel extract, to kill the larvae. Apply Novaluron 10 EC per 1.5 ml or 1 ml or Quinalfos 25 EC per 2 ml per 40 SP per 1 gram 1. Second, aphids. Aphids are tiny insects that may be green to black in color and are found in cluster on the tender parts of the plant. They harm the crop constantly by sucking sap from the lower leaves and the tender shoots of the plant. Let us take a look at their control. Spray the crop with dimethoate at 0.03% or phosphomidon at 0.04% for effective control of aphids. Third, whitefly. Whitefly or white tiny scale-like insects covered with white waxy bloom. Nymphs and adults both feed on the upper surface of the leaves by sucking the cell sap. The affected parts of the plant show yellowing and wrinkling of leaves. It also transmits leaf curl viral disease. Let us take a look at the control. First, remove weed hosts which harbor the white flies to reduce the incidence of white flies. Second, treat seeds with imidacloprid 70 WS at 2.5 grams per kilogram to provide protection for 25 to 30 days. Third, use a nylon net of approximately 200 mesh covering for 25 to 30 days to avoid insect infestation in the nursery. An alternate spray of neem seed kernel extract NSKE 4% or neem soap at 10 gram per liter or dry azophos 40 EC 10, 20, 30 and 45 days after transplanting is effective for the control of whiteflies. Fourth, leaf miner. Leaf miner larvae are orange-yellow and apodous. Maggots enter the leaf and eat the mesophyll of the leaves by making tunnels and zigzag structures on the leaves. Remove and destroy the severely infested leaves. Let us now take a look at their control. First, spraying NSKE at 4% along with sticker is effective. This pest can be controlled by spraying the crop with Cartap hydrochloric 50% SP at 250 to 300 grams per acre. Fifth, leaf hopper or jacids. The nymph and adults are green in color. They suck the sap from the leaves.
Yes, right.
In severe conditions, the leaves become brown, dry and fall down. Let us take a look at the control. Dip the root of the seedling for 1 hour in imidacloprid 17.8 SL at 1 milliliters per liter of water. This will protect the crop for 30 days after transplanting. Second, spraying NSKE at 4% at an interval of 10 days is also effective. Third, applying imidacloprid 17.8 SL at 0.35 ml per liter or thimethoxam 25 Wg at 0.35 ml per liter after 25 days of transplanting at an interval of 10 to 15 days is also effective. Sixth, shoot and fruit borer. The larvae are light pink in color. Initially, the larvae bore into shoots and kill the growing point of the plant. The affected shoot wilts or droops. Adult caterpillars bore into the fruits. At the entrance hole, fecal pellets are visible. Let us take a look at the control. First, regularly clip and burn the affected and withered dead shoots and leaves. Second, spray fenpropathrine 30 EC at 0.75 ml per liter or emamectin benzoate 5 SC at 0.35 grams per liter at 15-day intervals when the plant is in vegetative and flowering stage. It is effective against shoot and fruit borer. Seventh, thrips. Thrips are minute insects with fringed wings. Both adults and nymphs damage the crop and lacerate leaf tissue and curl the leaves inwards. This incidence is severe during dry periods. Let us take a look at the control. First, sow seed after treatment with imidacloprid 70 Ws at 5 to 10 grams per kg of the seed. Cover the nursery with nylon net of 200 mesh to protect nursery plants with thrips till the plant is 25 to 30 days old. Avoid spraying same chemical repeatedly. Stop foliar spray of chemicals before 10 days of flowering. 8. Mites. Mites are difficult to see with naked eyes. They make the leaves curl downwards. Let us now take a look at the control. Foliar spray of buprofezine 25 SC at 1.2 ml per liter water or fenpyroximate 5 EC at 1 ml per liter water at 10 to 15 days interval is effective to control mites. Summary. So viewers, we have come to the end of this video. So let us summarize the topics covered in this video. The important points discussed here are major insect pests of solanaceous crops, under which we have studied tomato fruit borer, aphids, whitefly, leaf miner, leaf hopper or jacids, shoot and fruit borer, thrips and mites. Thank you.